There's another photo or video of the trees and limbs snapping. Heck fire, that sucker took a beating. Now we got more work cut out for us. I'm gonna go check over on the other window. Holy crap. Didn't see this part. Dang. Both work trucks. Pulled up out of the way. That tree sure did snap. Oh, there's another big massive one. Didn't see that one. I'll zoom in on that one, you guys. There's a big tree right in the middle if you can't see it from the... Right there. God. Well, looks like I got a bunch of work cut out for me. You guys stay tuned. I'll keep y'all updated. I did not know about that one.